Unlocking the phrase, in the running for. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, in the running for. This expression is widely used in both formal and informal contexts, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of English conversation. So, let's break it down together and make sure you can use it confidently in your daily English. In the running for is a phrase that means being considered as a possible candidate or contender for something, usually a prize, position, or recognition. It implies that there is a competition or selection process going on, and the person or thing mentioned is among the possible winners or recipients. Let's dissect the phrase to understand why it conveys this meaning. In suggests being inside or part of something. The running refers to a race or competition. For indicates the goal, prize, or position being competed for. When combined, these components create an imagery of being part of a race or contest aiming for a specific prize or goal. To clarify how this phrase is used, let's look at some examples. She is in the running for the Best Actress award. Our project is in the running for the innovation grant. He's still in the running for the job, even after the second round of interviews. These sentences show that the phrase can be applied in various contexts, from awards and grants to job positions. Understanding synonyms and variations can broaden your vocabulary. Here are some similar phrases. Being considered for, a contender for, on the shortlist for. Each of these can be used interchangeably with, in the running for, depending on the context and tone you wish to convey. Now that you've learned about, in the running for, you can appreciate its usefulness in expressing competition and potential success. Whether you're discussing awards, jobs, or any form of recognition, this phrase adds a dynamic layer to your conversation. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you're now more comfortable using in the running for in your English communication. See you in our next video.